You see, when the new year comes around, every 90% of the people are like, you know what, I got a New Year's resolution. This is what I'm going to do this year. This is my path. This is what I'm going to do and what I'm going to commit to, and I'm going to do it. What's going on, people? My name is Andrew SP and welcome to my channel. If you ain't already subscribed, you need to do that ASAP. Remember, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button. 2 weeks later, around about between the 15th and the 20th of January, the excitement's gone. You're not going to the gym no more. You're not doing what needs to be done anymore because now the excitement's done. Do you know what I mean? But that point, at that particular point, after the excitement's done and that adrenaline's gone and you're not excited about a new year no more because now it's just another year. It's 2020. That's what separates you from the pack. There, right there at that particular point when you don't actually have to do it no more, where now no one actually cares. No one cares, no one's asking you about your resolution. Now it's you and what you wanted to do and how you wanted to change your life. That point there is what separates you from the pack. Are you going to push through? Are you really going to follow through your plan? If your plan was, do you know what, between this time and this time I'm going to go to the gym, I'm going to change my body, are you going to follow through? Because there's going to be a lot of dark days where you're like, mate, I am not trying to do this. But when those days do come, which they are coming, are you really going to stick to your plan? Are you going to remain dedicated? Are you going to push through when everything in your life and your body and your mentality says it's not that serious? Are you going to push through? Because see, to my understanding, the human brain is set up as it's like a safety mechanism, right? It's like it's designed to protect you. So it's always designed to take the easy way out. That's what the human brain does. It takes the easy way out. So when it's presented with two options, one's easy, one's hard, it's more inclined to go to the easy route because that's what it is. It's meant to make your life happy. It's meant to protect you. It's meant to make your life simple. It's the easy way out. But are you able to go through all that? Are you able to say, do you know what? No, I'm going to take the hard route. I'm going to do what needs to be done. I am really going to do what needs to be done to get to where I need to get to because this is what I committed to. That's what separates you. You need to follow through. Follow through. If you have a plan, you need to follow through. Not saying it's going to work. No one knows if it's going to work. But the only way you find out if it's going to work is you need to get to the bottom of it. And you need to give 100%. There's absolutely no point having a plan and giving 20%. Just at the stop, just leave it alone because it's pointless. If you're going to do it, give 100%. At the end of it all, stop and ask yourself, did I do what needed to be done? And if the answer is yes, you live with the results. If the answer is no, you restart that and you do it again. You give 100% because only then can you know whether it worked or it didn't. Until next time, thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Keep winning. And remember, hit the subscribe button and the notification button. Hit us up on the socials as well. Real Andrew SP. I repeat, Real Andrew SP on the socials. Let us know your comments. Let us know your thoughts and come along for the ride.